Hi guys, how you doing? I am Deshawn and I am coming to you with a taste test of this late July snacks nacho cheese. Got this from Dollar Tree for $1.25 and it says 280 calories per pack. It's tortilla chips, and y'all know how I feel about tortilla chips. It says made with organic yellow corn, non-GMO. This is a 2-ounce bag. So I love eating me some tortilla chips, y'all. I love tortilla chips. Wait a minute, 280 calories. Hold up. Oh, it is what I said. I'm gonna say is that what I just read? So yes, it's 280 calories. Ah, man, let me tell you something. I am excited about this because for a long time, for years, I have been looking for some nacho cheese tortilla chips at Dollar Tree. I've been looking for some, y'all, and they do have the name brand ones or whatever with Woo, but I wanted the Dollar Tree brand ones because I just wanted to taste something different. Sometimes you want to try something different. So they finally got this, and I'm finna try it, y'all. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like a tortilla chip. So let's see. Have y'all tried these? Have y'all even heard of these, y'all? Like, this is brand new to me, y'all. This is brand new to me. But here we go. We're gonna do this together. So you guys, baby, I'm wishing for the best because, like I said, for years I really was hoping that Dollar Tree had came out with a Dollar Tree brand. Is this Dollar Tree brand? I mean, how can you tell? Y'all read the back of this and tell me if this Dollar Tree brand. I've been waiting years for it, but look at it, y'all. It look just like my favorite chips, but don't smell like it. This smell like a regular old tortilla chip. I don't smell no cheese. I'm saying, got some seasoning on there, y'all. Woo! You got some seasoning on there, baby. Okay. All right, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Wait a minute, let me read this again. Late July snacks, nacho cheese, tortilla chips. Organic yellow corn. Y'all, if y'all see these, if you like tortilla chips, and I love tortilla chips, and you like cheese, I love cheese. Baby, this yeah. Let me tell y'all something. Compared to the name brand ones, they got some competition. Cause this is it's the seasoning. It's the seasoning, y'all. It's the seasoning. Y'all. Elizabeth say hi. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all know what my favorite chips are. Y'all know tortilla chips are my favorite. Now let me tell you something. If this would have had some spice to it, ooh. Mommy, that's how you make who? Doritos. That's how you make Doritos. I don't know. It might be a little bit better. Woo! And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The regular nacho Doritos I haven't been eating them because I've been eating the spicy ones. Y'all know I really like the spicy ones. But tasting this right here, mm, baby, when I go back to Dollar Tree, let me tell you something. Cause they, like I said, they have the regular nacho Doritos. If I had to pick one out of these and the Doritos, the regular Doritos, it's this one. I definitely picked this one, you guys, because this, this is on point. Y'all, this is on point. Ooh, I'm thinking about the different meals I can make with this, and I know it's gonna be good. And I know that if I use this when I make a meal, I'm not even gonna have to use no seasoning, because it's got enough seasoning on. Baby. You know I'm gonna buy some more at the store. Girl, if I go to the store and they got some more of these, ooh-wee, you sure enough right. I'm gonna buy some more, cause baby, these things are amazing. Y'all, do y'all see this? They eat one every day. Eat one every day? I don't know if I can do that. Can I do that? Is corn chips, is that healthy? Or eat right? Tortilla. Honey, or eat one bite. One bite a day? Yeah. It's healthy, right? Because it say organic, so it say non-GMO, so it's healthy, right? So I could eat these every day, right? Right? It's healthy, right? Baby. Woo! I am so glad I found these. I'm so glad. Now they are $1.25. Yes, ma'am. So you guys, if y'all see these at Dollar Tree for $1.25, pick them up. The late July. I ain't never heard of these. This brand new to me. This brand new. And I'm so glad that I picked this up. Cause you know, at first I was like, I don't know, but y'all know G's my best friend. He was like, pick them up. He was like, get them and try them. And I'm so glad I listened to my best friend. Ooh, it's seasoned just right, y'all. It's seasoned just right. Y'all, Elizabeth said, hey, it is so good. Ooh, I can't wait to make a meal with this. Ooh, I'm just all these different ideas popping up in my head. Like I said, I probably won't have to use no seasoning because it has enough seasoning on it. So I want whatever meal I make, I won't have to season the meal because this is everything, y'all. This is everything. Yes, this is so good. So, these right here. When y'all see these, make sure you pick them up because they are so good. Oh, I hope this wasn't one of them, you know, little temporary things that they got in. I hope that this is something that always will be at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Matter of fact, I might want them to get a bigger bag because you know they have been getting bigger bag of chips in. And this is one of the chips that they need to have a bigger bag of because it's so delicious, y'all. It's so good. What else you got? I'm Deshaun. I thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video if you are a foodie like I am. There's an echo. I'm gonna let y'all go. Cause as you can see. But thanks for watching, you guys.
Thanks for watching, y'all, guys.
Be blessed.
Be blessed.